In today's video, we're counting down the 10 kitchen knives every home cook needs in 2026. From premium chef's knives to specialized blades for bread, meat, and vegetables, we've researched the best options available to help you find the perfect cutting companion. Make sure to stay until the end because our number one pick is a knife trusted by professional chefs around the world. Let's get started. Number 15. Kongshan TS Series 8-inch Chef's Knife. Kicking off our extended list is the Kongshan TS Series Chef's Knife, a premium kitchen tool that combines modern design with impressive cutting performance. Crafted from high-alloy German steel, this knife is engineered for durability, edge retention, and precision. The knife immediately stands out thanks to its sleek, contemporary appearance. However, its performance is where it truly shines. The blade glides effortlessly through vegetables, meats, fruits, and herbs, making everyday meal preparation faster and more enjoyable. Its ergonomic handle is designed to fit naturally in the hand, providing excellent comfort and control during extended cooking sessions. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or tackling a complex recipe, the Kongshan TS series delivers reliable results every time. Number 14. Dullstrong Gladiator Series Chef Knife. The Dullstrong Gladiator series has become one of the most popular kitchen knives among home cooks looking for professional-level performance without an extreme price tag. Forged from high-carbon German steel, this knife offers impressive sharpness right out of the box. The blade is carefully polished and engineered to deliver smooth, precise cuts across a wide variety of ingredients. One of the standout aspects of the Gladiator series is its balance. The weight distribution feels natural, helping users maintain control while reducing fatigue. From slicing large cuts of meat to finely chopping vegetables, this knife handles demanding kitchen tasks with confidence. The premium handle design further enhances the overall experience, making it a dependable companion for everyday cooking. Number 13. Misen Chef's Knife. The Misen Chef's Knife has earned a reputation for offering premium features at a surprisingly accessible price point. Designed with versatility in mind, it serves as an excellent all-purpose knife for modern kitchens. The blade combines the precision of Japanese-inspired geometry with the durability of Western knife construction. This hybrid design allows users to enjoy sharp, efficient cutting performance while maintaining long-term durability. In daily use, the Misen excels at slicing onions, chopping herbs, dicing vegetables, and trimming proteins. The comfortable handle and balanced construction help create a smooth cutting experience, even during longer meal prep sessions. For home cooks seeking one knife capable of handling nearly every kitchen task, the Misen remains a compelling option in 2026. Number 12. Yoshihiro VG10 Guto Knife. For those interested in authentic Japanese craftsmanship, the Yoshihiro VG10 Guto knife is an outstanding choice. Handcrafted using premium Japanese steel, this knife delivers remarkable sharpness and exceptional precision. The thin blade profile allows ingredients to be sliced cleanly with minimal resistance, preserving texture and presentation. The Guto design is often considered Japan's answer to the traditional Western chef's knife, offering incredible versatility across numerous cooking styles. Whether preparing seafood, vegetables, meats, or delicate garnishes, the Yoshihiro performs with remarkable finesse. Its elegant appearance, razor-sharp edge, and artisan craftsmanship make it a favorite among culinary enthusiasts who appreciate traditional Japanese knife-making techniques. Number 11. Henkel's Classic Chef's Knife. Rounding out our extended list is the Henkel's Classic Chef's Knife, a trusted kitchen staple that has served home cooks for generations. Built with durable stainless steel and designed for everyday practicality, this knife offers dependable performance across a wide range of kitchen tasks. Its comfortable handle and balanced construction make it approachable for beginners while still delivering enough capability for experienced cooks. The blade performs consistently when chopping vegetables, slicing meats, preparing fruits, and handling general food preparation duties. Its straightforward design focuses on reliability, making it a knife many families continue to use year after year. For viewers searching for a dependable and budget-friendly addition to their kitchen arsenal, the Henkel's Classic remains a strong contender in 2026. Number 10. Victorinox Fibrox Pro Chef's Knife. Starting our list is the legendary Victorinox Fibrox Pro Chef's Knife. This knife has built a reputation for offering professional-level performance at an affordable price. Featuring a high-carbon stainless steel blade, it delivers excellent sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic Fibrox handle provides a secure non-slip grip even when wet, making it ideal for long cooking sessions. Pros: affordable price, razor-sharp edge, comfortable grip. Lightweight design, best for beginner and intermediate home cooks. Seeking excellent value. Number 9. Mercer Culinary Renaissance Chef Knife. The Mercer Culinary Renaissance is one of the most underrated kitchen knives available today. Crafted from German high-carbon steel, this knife offers outstanding edge retention and durability. The triple-riveted handle provides excellent balance and control, making slicing and chopping effortless. Professional culinary schools frequently recommend Mercer knives because they offer premium quality without premium pricing. Pros: German steel construction, excellent balance, durable design, great value, best for cooking students and budget-conscious buyers. Number 8. Wösthoff Classic 8-inch Chef's Knife. Next up is the renowned Wösthoff Classic Chef's Knife. Manufactured in Germany, this knife combines traditional craftsmanship with modern engineering. The precision-forged blade delivers incredible sharpness and edge retention. The full-tang construction enhances stability and control, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended food preparation. Pros: premium German craftsmanship, exceptional durability, full-tang construction, professional-grade performance, best for serious home cooks looking for a long-term investment. Number 7. Global G2 Chef's Knife. If you love modern kitchen tools, the Global G2 Chef's Knife deserves your attention. Designed in Japan, this knife features a sleek, all-stainless steel construction that looks as impressive as it performs. Its lightweight design allows for incredibly fast and precise cutting motions. The razor-sharp edge excels at slicing vegetables, herbs, and proteins with minimal effort. Pros: lightweight design, excellent precision, modern appearance, high-quality, Japanese steel. Best for users who prefer lightweight knives. Number 6. Shun Classic Santoku Knife. The Shun Classic Santoku knife combines stunning beauty with remarkable performance. Handcrafted in Japan, this knife features layered Damascus-clad steel, creating a distinctive wave-like pattern on the blade. The Santoku shape excels at slicing, dicing, and mincing. Its shorter blade offers exceptional control, making it perfect for smaller kitchens and precision tasks. Pros: beautiful Damascus finish, razor-sharp edge, excellent precision, premium craftsmanship, best for vegetable preparation and detailed cutting work. Number 5. Zwilling Pro Chef's Knife. The Zwilling Pro Chef's Knife is a favorite among professional chefs worldwide. Featuring an ice-hardened blade, this knife maintains sharpness for extended periods while resisting corrosion and wear. Its curved bolster design encourages a natural pinch grip, improving comfort and cutting efficiency. Pros: excellent edge retention, comfortable grip, premium steel, professional performance, best for frequent home cooks who want premium reliability. Number 4. Tojiro DP Guto Knife. The Tojiro DP Guto offers one of the best performance to price ratios on the market. Built with a VG10 steel core and stainless cladding, this knife delivers extraordinary sharpness and impressive durability. Many enthusiasts consider it the perfect gateway into premium Japanese kitchen knives. Pros: outstanding sharpness, great value, durable construction, professional cutting performance, best for users upgrading from entry-level knives. Number 3. Miyabi Kazan 2 Chef's Knife. At number 3, we have the stunning Miyabi Kazan 2 Chef's Knife. This premium Japanese blade combines traditional craftsmanship with modern manufacturing techniques. Its Damascus pattern blade and ultra-sharp edge create a knife that's both beautiful and highly functional. Pros: gorgeous design, exceptional sharpness, premium materials, excellent balance, best for home chefs seeking luxury performance. Number 2. Bread Knife. Wösthoff Classic, double serrated. A great kitchen isn't complete without a quality bread knife. The Wösthoff Classic double serrated bread knife effortlessly cuts through crusty bread, soft pastries, cakes, and even delicate fruits without crushing them. Its double serrated edge stays sharp longer than traditional serrated knives. Pros: clean cuts, long-lasting edge, versatile use. Excellent build quality, best for bread lovers and bakers. Number 1. Mac MTH80 Professional Chef's Knife. Taking the top spot is the incredible Mac MTH80 Professional Chef's Knife. Widely praised by chefs and culinary experts, this knife offers a near-perfect combination of sharpness, comfort, balance, and versatility. The thin blade glides effortlessly through vegetables, meat, herbs, and fruits, while maintaining excellent durability. Many professionals consider this one of the finest all-around kitchen knives available today. Pros: exceptional sharpness, superior balance, comfortable handle, professional-grade performance, best for anyone seeking the ultimate all-purpose kitchen knife. Buying guide. Before purchasing a kitchen knife, consider these important factors. Blade material. High-carbon stainless steel offers the best combination of durability, sharpness, and corrosion resistance. Handle comfort. Look for ergonomic handles that fit comfortably in your hand. Knife weight. Choose between lightweight Japanese styles or heavier German-style knives based on your preference. Maintenance. Some premium knives require regular sharpening and special care. Budget. Excellent options exist from under $50 to several $100s. There you have eTour picks for the 10 kitchen knives every home cook needs in 2026. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly workhorse like the Victorinox Fibrox Pro or a premium masterpiece like the Mac MTH-80, investing in the right knife can elevate every meal you prepare. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen gadget and cooking gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.